The picture you know I when we did same way the photo shoot we got a pause. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, in this video, as you all see the title, I'll be doing a reaction video to my old photos. So I want you all to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please, I am asking you to subscribe to my channel, and please remember to leave a comment in the comment section and like my video. Yeah, I don't know if I can hear that rain fall and thunder roll. So yes, yeah, so I'll be reacting to some of my old photos. I went on Facebook today and I saw some of my old photos, and I'm telling you there's something to laugh at. So let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start with the picture here. This photo is our old photo from 2011 when we win Miss Bad Mountain pageant. Yes, from man. My time is somebody at me. God, the things that me hide them my time there, you know. All them the material is to wear in a pageant, and this them the type of for me ear. Look for me ear. Just look different. Well, this is what I think somebody at. So this is one you know. The picture you know I when we did same way the photo shoot we got a pause. But they want to pause because I love modeling. So after I'm doing the pageant, I say alright, I go do pause. So this one I know. And when we did some one the pause. Looking back at those photos, at that specific photo, couldn't really say somebody did maga. This photo now is I don't want to lie, it's a 2014 I did work at beaches Negro. I did one staff party. Yes, so this I did one staff party. I don't look cheap but still the time I just start pick up, pick up the woman look. I try elevate up still. Yes, I look like a woman. I love it still. Yeah, girl, this will come out. And this photo is I want me in Miss Burn Savannah. Miss Burn Savannah. I don't remember what year, but I made in Miss Burn Savannah. That's the picture there. Yes. But now my feelings. I'm going like a woman in my time now, but I'm just. Yeah, that's how I'm in a grade 9. Grade 9, I think I'm in a grade 9 at Petersfield. I think that photo is when I was in grade 9. And this picture now, the one here, when remember exactly everything. The one here 2014 October November. I'm with my boyfriend to come for me. Yeah, somebody a QQ, a drink and all these things. We are my friend. I'm so happy and I'm excited and feel so happy. I'm well and think come to go and all these things. So me hear me drum song, a drink and sitting. And I take some pictures. If you see in a picture, how me that be here? Yes, so me that take some picture and sit me and my friend, best friend. Me and she always drink and sing and thing. And the one you know, I see him QQ every evening. We used to go to QQ. Me and my friend and boyfriend and his friend. Yeah, we used to do like every night. Me a working idea, which me used to do chef at beaches. So me used to work every day and party every night. So the one you know, I went with the enter Miss Beaches 2005. Sorry, 2015. 2015 when I enter Miss Beaches. So the 1 year I Miss Beaches. See, when girl grew up now I enter pageant, so they look decent. So they look decent-ish. Yeah, so that one I look nice. You look good, girl. Yeah, you come out. You come out, girl. You come out. The one you come out. And this one, yeah, the picture you know. Yeah, I went, I think I see 2015. I used to do my eyebrow every week. Every week I used to take my eyebrow, I used to go to barber. I take my eyebrow. Because I couldn't bother to do it every morning when I go to work. So I just go to TNTP, serve me for the whole week. This photo is Bad Santa. One Christmas Eve party. Where, yeah, where me go? The Christmas Eve party, Alkaline come perform. I can't forget the party here. Alkaline come perform at the party here. Yes, so see how girl look nice. Yes, spray up my picture, I look good. So this one now is the last photo. I'm going to just show you a recent photo and then I end my video. So the one I know I want a recent picture. Let me go breakfast in paradise. Breakfast in paradise last year. Yeah, so this is a recent photo and this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching if you reached this far, and I hope you like, comment, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. So I want to subscribe, press the notification bell down below so you get a notification whenever I post a video. I try to post video every other day. I try to post video every other day, yeah. So thank you for watching. Peace out.